I don't know, Uncle Al. It looks pretty good to me. Munch, munch, munch. Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Now, this segment is for gardening, for preppers. Now, Uncle Al's been pretty good with these, all right? But a lot of you don't understand that you could also use a mason jar. You could buy one on Amazon and do sprouting like that. I already have 3 jars with sprouts like this. Okay, see that? That's fairly fast. Now, a lot of you people like, Uncle Al, I'm too poor to buy one of these things from Amazon, which drives Uncle Al nuts, because you can make your own, get a canning ring that fits that size of a jar, and cut out wire mesh. See? Easy as pie. This is stainless steel wire mesh, folks. Not rocket science, DOE. And I do mean DOE, not rocket science. It's stainless steel mesh. You can order it at your local big box hardware store. Doesn't cost you an arm and a leg, and it's not like this. You do take a little care with it, but you get the ring, you replace the cap, and you grow sprouts. Easy as pie. Okay? Now, Uncle Alan has several methods of doing this. I do have this one right here. All right, this is a tray version. I use a coconut fiber pad. I don't think I can point the camera down, but I don't want to tip it because I have moisture in it. That works fine for me. Sometimes I use it for my seedlings. I transplant it. My outside boxes have a bunch of seedlings that I already planted. I do about 5 trays each. Now, a lot of you people don't understand that. Okay, first thing is, I want to shout out to my friend A.K. Fab. Please help her out. You're going to see her a little later. Great card, thank you very much. I always enjoy a card. And I'm sorry, but a lot of you people don't watch my playlist Weather 2019. I have 2 other long-range forecaster and their channels on it with videos. And we've been talking about this for a long time. Yes, some of them sounds like kids, but they ain't old as Uncle Al. Now, I did get one of these. It's not great, but my good one, my Johnny heater, got burned up and crushed and messed up in the last wildfire, so this replaces it. 12 hours, got all the accoutrements, instruction, little pouch, and measuring cup. Okay, and it uses, I need a bigger table, kids. Zippo fuel. Okay, now I already heard from my friends who are suppliers, they already ran out. And this one, I heard a lot of people are running to the stores. I do recommend Urban Grandpa Prepper to get one. You'll thank me for it. We're old. We're not young and virtuous as Generation Y. We're old. We have to use our brains. This is smart. Keep us warm. You freeze. Okay. Got too many notes. We were arguing about this, my weather group from Weather 2019. Some jerk is breeding super cougars and letting them go in Michigan. Quit that. Also, we've been talking about rogue waves and what I'm worried about modern refugees. How close are you to the lake? Because you're in the Great Lake area, and we're talking about rogue waves and tidal waves. Now, I did mention for a tidal wave hitting Toronto in Canada, but everybody laughs and thinks Uncle Alan's little. I wouldn't be laughing, because recently a scientific report, Hubble's cat, I had a photograph of him, but go see his latest video, Hubble's cat, and I was doing like that. I have no idea why. I think it's the Heimlich maneuver. Go watch its video. It's very good. It's first day. And I got a shout out to Just in Time Prepping. Yes, I will be there in a few minutes, Will. I have to put this one up. Okay. And then don't forget, check out Corsair's Trainer, Galvin, Happy Prepper, and Becky Styles. Check all these channels. Now, Corsair Trainer right here is doing a really good job on a series of Yellowstone eruption. Now, if it happens for real and happened in December, Uncle Al's booking it. This is my third volcanic action. And I got lung damage from the last one. So I'm not very happy. Okay, that's why I quit smoking Camels. Makes me unhappy. All right? So go check out his series. Very good series. A lot of people, but you live in California, Uncle Al. Uncle Al knows after the second one, I studied up really hard, did my research. I'm booking it. I'll be either in the Philippines, Chile, or I'll be in Japan at worst, Korea. Okay, because I know people and I could live in Japan fairly easy. I just gotta remember the language. Philippines, the same. I have friends there. They like me. I'm skipping Thailand. Ooh. Okay, don't forget, it's October. Make sure you got your fats and oils. Remember, it's short term, so you have to rotate them. That's the oils. The only time you get the fats is when it's about to go kablooey or nuts. I will get lard or some kind of solid based fat. Remember, I prefer lard because I was raised on it. Yeah, let's talk about these folks right here. Go check out Anthony's channel. He's working really hard. He's tired. You should go to bed, Anthony. Anyway, if you have time, do a video. A lot of people still don't get it, understand why you need oils and stuff. And a lot of people say, we get avocado oil or olive oil. That grows on trees. Yeah, but you need a Mediterranean climate. Like where I live, we have olive trees and we grow a lot. Okay? So you check out these folks right here. Check out Reed's channel. It's a big one. Manifestation of Imagination and DOI Solar. And remember, Urban Grandpa Prepper. Help him out. Tell people go over there. Check him out. Again, I know he lives in Ohio, but it's a good idea to have one of these things. It's fairly easy. And it keeps warm. You wear it. You put it in your pocket and you keep nice and warm. And don't forget, folks, these folks, help them out. Cash and Gear. I'm working on a box for Cheryl. It takes me a little time, but I do things. And I'm just slowing down. Now, Mel asked me how I'm doing with the doctor's appointments. I'm fine. I'm fighting them. It's like they think you're dead, Mr. Sato, and I'm looking like, no, I'm still very much alive. I just sure look dead, Uncle Al. Funny, Uni. Okay, now, before I end this, again, sprouting's easy. It's one of the simplest beginner's garden. You can't screw it up. Okay? You could either make or buy. Simple. Not hard, fairly easy. And then I think that was all the shout outs. I think Gavin could do this. I know Hubble's cat does it. I know Galvin of GM Survival can do this. Easy. Just a jar. Get a little screen and presto, you're a farmer. Okay. I think KFAV could do it. I think Cheryl could do it. I think a lot of people that never tried one of these who are beginners. I know Becky could do it. It's really easy. Mason jar. Some kind of screen lid. I can't get any simpler than that because I know gardening. Even Steve of Corsair Trainers can do this. Really easy, Steve. If you botch it, you got Uncle Alan to help you out. Okay? Easy as pie. Simple as pie. Make it yourself. Yeah, I recommend the seeds for this one is radish, alfalfa, and mung beans. Those are the 3 easiest kinds. And I still see people screw that up. Okay, kids, I'll catch you there. Bye, folks.